grew sicker than before. But what Dr. Horace didn't know was that a little boy, Tommy, had seen him poisoning the herbs. Tommy told the villagers what he had witnessed. The angry villagers confronted Dr. Horace. "You've been making us sick on purpose," they accused. The doctor tried to deny it, but the evidence was clear. The villagers decided to banish him from Greenfield. Ashamed and with no place to go, Dr. Horace wandered into the forest. There, he fell ill with the same sickness he had failed to cure. Weak and alone, he realized the error of his ways. Granny Mabel, kind as ever, found him in the forest. Despite what he had done, she nursed him back to health. "You helped me. After everything?" Dr. Horace asked in disbelief. "Everyone deserves a second chance," she replied. Touched by her kindness, Dr. Horace finally understood the value of compassion. He returned to the village, apologized to everyone, and started treating patients for free. From that day on, he was no longer known as the greedy doctor, but as the kind healer of Greenfield. Greed leads to downfall, but kindness and forgiveness can change hearts.